Hey students, this video is a grammar review of subject pronouns. What are their names? His name is Lionel Messi. His name is Cristiano Ronaldo. Her name is Samantha Kerr. Her nickname is Sam. What are they? In other words, what is their job? They are soccer players. Another way of asking what is your job is what do you do? What do they do? They play soccer. Nouns and pronouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. He is the subject pronoun for a man, a boy, or a male animal. Mr. is the title for a married or a single man. Mr. Messi plays soccer. We can replace Mr. Messi with the pronoun he. He plays soccer. She is the subject pronoun for a woman, a girl, or a female animal. Mrs. is the title for a married woman. Ms. is the title for a married or a single woman. And Miss is the title for a single young woman or a girl. Ms. Kerr is a soccer player. Ms. Kerr can be replaced by the pronoun she. It is the subject pronoun for a single place or thing. Soccer is a popular sport. We can replace soccer with the subject pronoun it. It is a popular sport. Here's another example of a single thing. A soccer ball is black and white. We can replace a soccer ball with the subject pronoun it. It is black and white. College of Marin is a good school. We can replace College of Marin with the subject pronoun it. It is a good school. California is a big state. This is another example of using it to represent a place. It is a big state. It stands for California. They is the subject pronoun for more than one person, not with you. Messi, Ronaldo, and Kerr play soccer. We can replace those three names with the subject pronoun they. They play soccer. Here's another example. Georgina and Cristiano have 3 children. We can replace Georgina and Cristiano with the subject pronoun they. They have 3 children. They is also the subject pronoun for more than one thing. Soccer balls aren't expensive. The S on balls means plural, more than one. I can replace soccer balls with they. They aren't expensive. They is also used to refer to more than one place. California, Texas, and New York are popular places. We can replace the names of the states with the subject pronoun they. They are popular places. We is the subject pronoun for one or more people and you, so it includes you. For example, you and I are at College of Marin. We can replace you and I with we. We are at College of Marin. Here's another example with we. You and I have this book. We have this book. Are you and your classmates using this book? Yes, we are. So let's review. I is the subject pronoun to talk about yourself. You is the subject pronoun for the person you're talking to. He is the subject pronoun for a male. Mr. is the title for a married or a single man. She is the subject pronoun for a female. Mrs. is the title for a married woman. Ms. is the title for a married or single woman. And Miss is the title for a young woman or a girl. It is the subject pronoun for a place, an animal, or a thing. In our example, a thing was sports. Soccer is a thing. A thing can also be a concept like love, freedom, justice. We is the pronoun for other people, including you. You can be plural, it can mean all of you. So if you're speaking to a group of people, and they is other people not with you, or places, animals, or things. Let's look at some examples. My sister works hard. She loves her job. She stands for my sister. My brother calls on Sunday. He is in Mexico. He stands for my brother. This car is fun to drive. It is very fast. It stands for this car. My husband and I have 2 sons. We make hamburgers every weekend. We replaces my husband and I. My neighbors have chickens. They get fresh eggs every week. They refers to neighbors. So let's practice. Write the missing pronouns. My son is 21 years old. You can pause the video while you think of the answer. He is 21 years old. My son is a male, so the subject pronoun is he. My children are in college. They are in college. Children is an irregular plural. One child, more than one children. So the pronoun for more than one person, not with you, is they. Susanna has a new job. She has a new job. Susanna is a female. Are you and your friends studying English? Yes, we are. We is the pronoun for you and other people. Mrs. Long lives in San Rafael. She lives in San Rafael. Mrs. is the title for a married woman, and she is the pronoun for a female. Trevor and Karen are married. They are married. They is the subject pronoun for more than one person, not with you. Karen is from China. She is from China. Karen is a female. Mr. White is a manager. He is a manager. Mr. is the title for a married or single man, and he is the subject pronoun for a male. Are you and your friends students? Yes, are. Yes, we are. So we is you and one or more people. Mr. and Mrs. Parker moved. They moved. They is the subject pronoun for more than one person, not with you. English is a popular language. It is a popular language. English is a thing, a single thing. So the subject pronoun for English is it. English and Spanish are popular languages. They are popular languages. They is the subject pronoun for more than one thing. You and I live in California. We live in California. We is the subject pronoun for you and one or more people. The dogs are energetic. They are energetic. They is the subject pronoun for more than one thing. Great job. Keep up the good work, and thanks for watching.